In this video, I will show you how to transfer all your Google Drive files to OneDrive. To get started, open your preferred browser. First, navigate to OneDrive by typing OneDrive in the search bar and pressing enter. Click on the first link and the OneDrive homepage will open. Now, leave this tab open and switch to a new tab. In the new tab, type Google Drive in the search bar and press enter. Click on the first link and your Google Drive homepage will open. Here, you'll see all your Google Drive files. To transfer them, start by selecting the files you want to move. You can press Ctrl+ to select all files at once or manually choose specific files by clicking on them. After selecting your files, click the Download button at the top of the page. The files will start downloading and you'll need to wait for the process to complete. Once the download is finished, open the folder where the files were saved on your computer. Next, go back to the OneDrive tab. Drag and drop the downloaded files from your computer into OneDrive. Simply click, hold, and move the files into the OneDrive page where they will start uploading. And that's it. Your files are now successfully transferred to OneDrive. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.